Hey guys, what is up? It is Timeless Kicks, back with another video. Someone really needs to stop me from buying personal pairs. I'm a sneakerhead at heart. I'm always a sneakerhead before a sneaker reseller, and when these dropped, I had to get my hands on them. So today we are unboxing the Yeezy V2 350 in the zebra colorway. So these originally released in 2017, and I remember seeing these, the crazy lines, the crazy market for these at the time. It was nuts. I just remember having this specific pair back in 2017 being like one of my grails, one that I really wanted to work for. So the fact that I was able to get these as a personal pair, you know, kind of means a lot to me. Let's just take a look at what we got going for the Yeezy Zebras. Here we go. We got the classic 350 box right here. You got the boost right there. Nothing on this side. Made by Adidas. And then you just got the size tag right there. So let's give these a look. So here you have it, guys. The restock of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the zebra colorway. I am so excited that I'm able to have these. These are just such a clean pair. Like, I'm really excited. Now these restock on Yeezy Supply in the confirmed app for a retail price of $230, a $10 price increase. For a retail sneaker, it is a little bit pricey, but let me tell you, you are paying for extreme comfort. That is really why I wanted to get these. I am going on a trip in this summer, and I'm gonna be on my feet a lot, and I really just wanted a sneaker that I would be able to wear for hours on end. And let me tell you, I promise you, you can wear Yeezys for hours at a time. They are so incredibly comfortable. The boost technology right there is absolutely incredible. So let's just talk about it a little bit. So again, you got the Supply 350 right there in the red. I love it. I love how it stands out like that. You got the beautiful zebra print all along the shoe, and this restock model is actually more of a translucent bottom. I will be interested in to see how these soles hold up. I might end up getting drip grip. I know that I've seen some other sneaker YouTubers use drip grips, so that might be something that I purchased for this pair specifically because of that translucent sole. But like I said, this boost is incredible. The zebra print is just a very versatile sneaker. I mean, you can wear it with pretty much anything. For me, I am a sneakerhead, and a lot of OGs really don't like the fact that Kanye has been restocking these. I can't say that I really mind it. I know that might be a little bit weird, but I don't really mind that they're restocking, because again, back in 2017, this was a grail pair. A 2017 version of me would be probably screaming at the fact that I have these in hand 5 years later. So definitely let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of these original Yeezys restocking. I think I saw somewhere that the V1's classic turtle dove colorway is going to be restocking, and I know that that has caused some controversy as well. So let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are of the classic Yeezy colorways restocking. In my opinion, I don't really mind it, because like I said, I'm always a sneakerhead before a sneaker reseller, and people who just love and appreciate original colorways and are now able to get their hands on pairs for less of a price, I'm all for that. Every day, I'm all for that. So you do have the Adidas Yeezy logo on the insole, which again, I also really like, because I know that they have been using the globe logo because of the sustainable materials that they use to produce them. But I really do love the classic, just Adidas Yeezy on the insole. And I did get these for resale, I'm not gonna lie. But to be fair, I got them for a great price. The market on these right now is not that great. The market right now for sneakers is down. So if you're debating on whether or not to buy right now, I hate to play the devil's advocate, but do it right now. I promise you, you won't regret it later on. I got these from our female reseller, 860 Prodigy Kicks. Definitely go check her out. She has incredible prices for her kick and just extremely reliable. So shout out to her for these personal pairs. Now sizing, I'm kind of a little bit all over the place. I tried to mostly wear a size 8, but in these particular ones, I went a half size up because Yeezys do tend to run a little bit on the smaller size. So I suggest definitely going a half size up, because unlike foam runners or slides, they do come in half sizes. So I would suggest definitely going a half size up. So definitely let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this Yeezy Zebra colorway. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.